In this video, we will discuss about the mass percentage and how to calculate the mass percentage of an element which is present in a compound. Okay, actually we need mass percentage to know how much an element is combined in a compound. So the formula that is used to calculate the mass percentage is like this. The mass percentage of an element is equal to mass of that element present in the compound. Divided by molar mass of compound and times 100 to find the percentage. Okay, so let's have an example. So suppose the question is like calculate the mass percentage of elements present in Na2SO4 sodium sulfate compound. Okay, so we have to calculate, in this question we have to calculate the mass percentage of the elements which are present in this sodium sulfate. So the elements are sodium, sulfur and oxygen which are present here. So first of all we have to know the molar mass of this compound. Okay, so let's solve it. So its solution will be like this. The molar mass of sodium sulfate Na2SO4 is equal to, so we are taking here 2 atoms of sodium, so that's why we would multiply 2 multiplied by the atomic mass of sodium, atom plus how many sulfur atom are there? So there are 1 sulfur atom. Okay, so 1 multiplied by the atomic mass of sulfur. Okay, plus 4 atoms of oxygen are present here, so it will be 4 times atomic mass of oxygen. So let's calculate. So 2 times atomic mass of sodium atom is 23 plus 1 times atomic mass of sulfur is 16 plus 4 times atomic mass of oxygen, which is atomic mass of sulfur is actually 32. Okay, 32, and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So now we will get 2 times 23, that means 46, plus 1 into 32, that means 32, plus 4 times 16, that means 64. So after adding all of these things we can get 142. So the molar mass of sodium sulfate Na2SO4 will be 142 gram. Okay, now let's calculate the mass percentage of sodium, sulfur and oxygen one by one. So the first one is mass percentage of sodium will be as given in the formula, that mass of that element present in the compound. So the mass of sodium element will be, because the mass of one sodium atom is 23, and because here there are 2 atoms of sodium, so that means it will be 2 times 23, that means it will be 46, okay, divided by molar mass of the compound, that is molar mass we have calculated here 142 grams, okay. So it will be 142 times 100. So after the calculation we can get 32.39%, okay. So the mass percentage of sodium in Na2SO4 will be 32.39%, okay. Next one, the mass percentage of sulfur will be as given in the formula, mass of that element present in the compound. So mass of sulfur which is present in the Na2SO4, that is 1 times 32. So it will be 32 divided by molar mass of the compound, that is 142 times 100. So after the calculation, okay, after the calculation we can get 22.53%. So we can say that the mass of sulfur in the sodium sulfate Na2SO4 is 22.53%. Now the next one is the third element, that is oxygen here. So the mass percentage of oxygen will be, the mass of oxygen element present in this compound Na2SO4, that is 4, because 4 atoms are here, and the atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16. So 4 times 16, it will be 64, okay. So 64 divided by the molar mass of the compound, that is 142 times 100, okay. So by using this formula we can get the mass percentage of oxygen. After calculating this, okay, we can get 45.07%, okay. You can also calculate it. So this is how we can calculate the mass percentage of an element which is present in the compound, okay. I hope it's clear now. Thank you.